Hello students, welcome back to YouTube channel Manyata the Explorer. I am your lecturer VP sir. In session 5 discussing about expression for torque acting on a dipole, and after that the energy stored in a dipole, that is called as potential energy of an electric dipole here. So in previous session we come to know that ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ there are two charges of opposite signs only focusing on their magnitude. So therefore equal and opposite charges which are separated by the distances, that is 2a, it is simply called as dipole length also. Then overall it is called as electric dipole moment. The equation is vector p because it is a vector quantity having magnitude as well as directions. So therefore, because dipole moment is always from a negative to positive by convention namagu gottagide. So because of that reason it is a vector quantity. Then equation is p equal to q cross 2a anta ide. So hagadre if a dipole is placed in external electric field, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ದ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. These two are equal and opposite charges, plus q and minus q. Okay, this is what dipole which are separated by the distance of what here 2a anta ide. By convention dipole moment is from negative to positive ide niಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. Okay, suppose this dipole is placed in an external electric field, ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? So electric field can be represented by electric field lines here. It is simply called as uniform electric field ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, having what same magnitude as well as directions ಇದೆ. So it is called external electric field ಇದೆ. By the presence of electric field, this dipole will experiences rotational effect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, so we know very well whatever the charges, either it may be a dipole or a point charges, doesn't matter, if it is placed in a system which will experiences what electrical force barutte. So therefore electrical force is due to negative charge is what vector F equal to minus QE ide. Electric field due to positive charge enide andre F equals to plus QE ide. So in the sense what, which are equal and opposite. So therefore the total force acting on this dipole is F equals to minus QE plus QE, get vanishes, it becomes zero. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. As I said earlier, it do not experiences any linear effect. It will experiences what rotational effect. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, as soon as this dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, this dipole will tend to rotate with a fixed point. Fixed point ಮೂಲಕ rotation ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. rotation ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ with a different angle, with a different orientation ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So for that reason it will experiences what here torque anta ide. So therefore the torque experienced by dipole due to presence of ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ external electric field ಇದೆ. So what is that? ಯಾವುದು? So we know very well general definitions. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? So that is called as tau equal to F cross L ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. It's a common equation of what torque ಇದೆ. What is force? The magnitude of forces are here. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? QE ಇದೆ. So therefore QE ಇದೆ. What about length? This length is overall perpendicular. What is torque here? Force into perpendicular distance of an object of a dipole is going to be called as torque ಅಂತೀವಿ. So perpendicular distance ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ total length 2a ಇದೆ. So we know very well this can be rearranged. ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾನು? Q cross 2a into E ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇನೆ. So we know that ಏನಪ್ಪ? Electric dipole moment is the product of either charges separated by the distance of 2a is called as electric dipole moment, mathematically represented as vector P equal to Q cross 2a. In the sense ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದರೆ wherever the term Q cross 2a ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, just replace with what letter P ಬರಿತೇನೆ. that is called as what P cross E ಇದೆ. in the sense what the angle between a dipole movement and electric field ಇದೆ. so therefore which is the cross product basically. so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು? it becomes what? PE sin theta. if vector is cross product, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? the angle between two parameter ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? electric field as well as a dipole moment parameter, that is E and P is sin theta only. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. so therefore the angle between dipole moment and electric field is what? Sin theta. so therefore generally the electric dipole which is placed in a uniform external electric field, it will experiences what? Torque. that is why it is called as dipole will experiences what? A rotational effect rather than a linear effect ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್. So therefore it is going to be called as what? Expression of a torque when an external electric field act on a dipole. So therefore then questions comes out that the angle between dipole movement and electric field is a sin theta ಇದೆ. it is what? A magnitude form ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. so it is called as what? vector form. ಇದೇನು ಕರಿಬೋದು? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 0, 180 or 90, what will be the torque value? Whether torque becomes maximum or minimum or 0, we need to check here. ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, as you know already, the expression for torque is tau equal to P cross E, nothing but PE sin theta. ಕೇಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. if theta is equal to 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, ಒಂದೇ ದಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವು ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೀಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, so that is going to be called as what angle between dipole and electric field is what 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So therefore, so we know that expression for this one is tau equal to PE sin theta, then PE sin 0 degree is there. We know that where sin 0 is 0 only, so then torque acting on a dipole is said to be what 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ if and only if the angle between a dipole moment and electric field is what 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Suppose if theta is said to be as, said is called torque is what minimum ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ನಾನು. Torque is what minimum. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. When the torque is said to be as maximum, when the torque is said to be as a minimum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If theta is 90 degree, in the sense what the angle between ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, this is what electric field lines here, dipole ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ which is what a perpendicular to the electric field lines. The orientation of a dipole is which is exactly perpendicular to the direction of electric field ittu andre, then the theta becomes what 90 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So therefore the angle between dipole movement and electric field is 90 ಆದರೆ, then torque acting on dipole is PE sin theta. Theta is 90 here, PE sin 90 degree here. But sin 90 is what here? Sin 90 degree is 1. So therefore, torque acting on dipole is PE only. In the sense what? Torque acting on dipole is what? A maximum. By this way, we can analyze that when the torque is said to be as a maximum, when torque is said to be as a minimum, it is only happen when angle between a electric field and dipole moment should be takes place. If it not, we won't say that when the torque is said to be as a maximum, when torque is said to be as a minimum. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೊಟೇಷನಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ torque which acting on a dipole in the presence of what electric field. Then question comes out, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ when in the presence of what electric field ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So expression for electric potential energy due to dipole kept in uniform external field. ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, when the dipole is not placed in non-uniform electric field, what will happen, whether it will experience torque or not, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. Let me discuss here. Again, we just drawing what a dipole here. This is diagram for dipole of having positive charges and negative charges. Dipole moment is from negative to positive. Then distance between these two is what here 2a there. When it is placed in an external electric field, what will happen? The dipole will experience what a rotational effect ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. That is what this dipole will experience what a torque ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. So therefore torque acting on the dipole is torque acting on dipole is ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು tau equal to p cross e, both are vector quantity only, so therefore angle between these two becomes what? P is sin theta agide. Okay, after this one, because of electric field ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, this dipole will feels what rotational effect ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ work should be takes place ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ work done on a dipole ಯಾವಾಗ, when placed in a uniform electric field. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ like 0, 10, 20, 30, 45, 50, 60, 180 like that. So therefore the equation becomes the work done in the rotational effect is ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು, dw equal to tau into d theta. Say it is called equation number 1 here. Here it makes an angle during rotation by the presence of electric field theta 1 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ theta 2 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Work done takes place between theta 1 to theta 2. These are the limitations. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ integrating equation number 1, integrating the above equation. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ potential energy due to dipole when it is placed in an uniform external electric field ಇದೆ. So integrating the above equation with the limits theta 1 and theta 2 ಇದೆ. So expression becomes what? Integrations of dw, integrations of lower limit and upper limit theta 2, tau into d theta here. But thing is that tau is what? A constant parameter here. So integration of theta 1 and theta 2 ಇದೆ, that is what? P sin theta into d theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in the term integration of theta 1 to theta 2, P is what? Constant. So dw becomes what? Work done, W here. So P integrations of theta 1 and theta 2 sin theta into d theta. Integration, the integration of sin theta into d theta becomes what? Minus cos theta here. So therefore minus P, I am taking outside, or else simply writing same the things. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ minus cos theta. This cos theta lies between what? Cos theta 1 and theta 2 here. By applying limits here ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು, minus is outside here, minus P upper limit and lower limit. If the angle between a dipole and electric field is 0, theta is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು. In the sense what? Theta 1 equal to 0 and theta 2 equal to theta ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆದರೆ, in the sense what? ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡು ಒಂದೇ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 0 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ theta 1 is taken as 0, theta 2 taken theta 1 equal to 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ I am just replacing the value here. So minus PE. So what is cos theta 2? Theta 2 is equals to what here? Theta 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದು theta ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, theta here. Then cos theta 1 is 0 here. But cos 0 is what here? But ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Cos 0 degree is what? 1. So therefore then equation becomes minus PE cos theta ಇದೆ. The angle between dipole movement and electric field is what? Cos ಇದೆ for work done ಇದೆ. So therefore if it is a cos theta, there should be a dot product. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಇ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ electric dipole by the presence of what external electric field ಇದೆ. Work done up a dipole will stores energy. Which energy here? Potential energy ಇದೆ. So therefore that is also represented as ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು? Work done on the dipole which is stored as potential energy. ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ? Work done of dipole stored as potential energy. That is W equal to U ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ then equation becomes ಏನಪ್ಪ? U equal to minus P dot E, or you can say that minus PE cos theta. This is the final expression for a potential energy of an electric dipole by the presence of a uniform external electric field. In this case also, the angle between dipole moment and electric field is theta ide. By replacing the values of theta as a 0, cos 0 is what? Then 1 here, potential energy becomes what? Maximum ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If it is the angle between P and E is what? 90 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos 90 is what? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The energy becomes minimum ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If it is 180 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ minus of minus becomes what? plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Because cos 180 is what? minus 1 ಇದೆ. Okay na? So by this way we can calculate potential energy and torque of a dipole here. Okay? Thank you.